Here we go. 2014 five-star football. Most likely all six autos. There are some one-on-one relics in here, so six hits, six autos. Can't beat that. So best of luck, and of course, as soon as I tally the hit list, we'll random off a box for the hit list. Somebody will get this box shipped out tomorrow. All right, so teams are posted. Best of luck, and let's get this going. It looks like a fatty. Fatty. Looks like we got a book in here. Maybe. We'll see. Damn it. No book. I lied. Here's an empty box. An empty box here. First, got a redemption for Houston. Five-star, four-piece signature book, gold parallel for Julio. I'm not sure what this is number, but this is for going to the Texans. Four-piece signature book, gold parallel. Jadeveon Clowney, Texans. That'll be Julio. Steelers. Dre Archer. We got a redemption for a book of Clowney. This will be the second hit. First one was the book, then the Archer. Terrence West. Browns. Minnesota. Jerick McKinnon. Not numbered. It's going to Silva. Allen Robinson. Jacksonville. Andrew. And Warren Moon. I'm not sure what I have on the rules, but I have to check the rules. Never had one of these come up before. So let me check what I put on the rules. All right, what I have in the rules are: if the card has no team or the team no longer exists, all participants will be entered random.org. Card will go into the person on top after randomizing 7 times. That's what I have in the rules. So this will be a random. That is it.